Tippergargan Creek.
I must say, Jimmy's a good tour guide. So after about a 30 to 40 minute drive from Brisbane, we arrive at Mt Beerwah, and this sign greets us, basically stating this hike is not for the faint of heart, and people may die here, and people have died here. So I was actually expecting a very easy climb. Unfortunately, this sign indicates differently. So after taking the drone up for some recon, I soon realized I was in for a serious hike and some well-earned leg pain the next day.
It starts.
So it's about 8:30 in the morning, and we're doing pretty well on the climb. The sun, however, just started peeking over the mountain, and it is hot. It's not an easy climb, but Chrissy and Jimmy are killing it right now. Jimmy, ready to climb, buddy?
I'm ready.
We're going up there.
We're halfway.
So it's 9:30. I made it to the top. The view is amazing. Lots of insects, but the view is really nice.
Please like, subscribe, and share. Woo!